Where to find temporary seasonal work and make money this holiday. The holiday season isn't just about giving, it's also a fantastic opportunity to earn some extra cash and gain valuable experience. The demand for seasonal staff skyrockets between October and January, making it an ideal time for individuals, especially beginners, to dive into the job market. Retail stores, hospitality venues, and even online services are all looking for enthusiastic help to manage the festive rush. Engaging in seasonal work offers numerous benefits beyond just a paycheck. It's a prime chance to develop new skills, build a professional network, and even get your foot in the door for future employment. Many companies use holiday hires to scout for potential long-term employees, making it a great pathway to a permanent role. Plus, the fast-paced environment teaches adaptability and customer service, skills that are valuable in any career path. For beginners, the holiday job market is particularly welcoming. Many positions require little to no prior experience, focusing instead on a positive attitude and willingness to learn. Common types of seasonal jobs include retail sales associate, helping customers find the perfect gifts and keeping shelves stocked; package handler or delivery driver assistant, sorting and delivering festive packages to eager recipients; restaurant or cafe staff, serving up holiday cheer and delicious treats in busy eateries; customer service representative, assisting shoppers with inquiries, often remotely; gift wrapper, adding a special touch to presents at department stores or boutiques. These roles are designed to be flexible, often offering part-time hours that can fit around other commitments. They provide a wonderful introduction to the professional world, allowing you to learn the ropes in a supportive, often celebratory atmosphere. So, whether you're a student looking for a career change or simply eager to start earning, the holiday season might just be your perfect entry point into the workforce. Global job growth. Over 170 million new jobs created globally this decade, with retail and delivery roles surging during the holiday season, according to the World Economic Forum. Flexible opportunities. Seasonal jobs offer flexible income streams, valuable skill-building experiences, and perfect entry points for beginners entering the workforce. Rising demand. Holiday retail sales expected to grow significantly, driving unprecedented demand for temporary workers across the nation. Major retail players. Industry giants like Target, Bed Bath & Table, The Entertainer, and Hickory Farms are actively ramping up their seasonal hiring efforts to meet holiday demand. Diverse role options. Positions span from customer service and stocking to cashiering, warehouse operations, and delivery support across multiple channels. Where you'll work. Opportunities exist in traditional brick-and-mortar stores, bustling online fulfillment centers, and dynamic event staffing environments. The holiday season is approaching, and with it comes a massive surge in temporary employment opportunities across the nation. This year, experts predict over 700,000 seasonal positions will open up, representing a robust job market for those seeking temporary work, extra income, or a pathway to permanent employment. Where the opportunities are? While seasonal hiring is widespread, certain regions and states are experiencing particularly high demand. States like California, Texas, Florida, and New York lead the charge due to their large populations and strong retail presence. Major metropolitan areas and logistics hubs are also hotspots for warehousing and delivery roles. Diverse roles and attractive compensation. Beyond traditional retail roles, the seasonal job market offers a surprising variety of positions. Expect to find openings for customer service representatives, in-store and remote, warehouse associates and package handlers, delivery drivers and couriers, event staff and hospitality workers, gift wrappers and merchandisers, food service and catering staff.
Hourly wages for seasonal jobs are competitive, with many positions starting between $15 and $20 per hour, and some specialized roles offering even more. Many companies are also providing attractive incentives like sign-on bonuses, employee discounts, and flexible scheduling to attract talent. This creates an excellent environment for job seekers to find fulfilling temporary work that could potentially lead to long-term career growth.
Massive scale. Over 2,000 stores and 60-plus supply chain facilities actively hiring holiday helpers across the country for the busy season. Varied positions. Roles include guest services, stocking, food and beverage, tech support, and Starbucks barista positions tailored to different skills. Day one benefits. Competitive pay with flexible schedules, team member discounts, and premium pay for early morning and overnight shifts starting immediately. Festive focus. Create stunning holiday store displays and assist customers in finding perfect seasonal decor and gifts for their celebrations. Generous discounts. Enjoy a substantial staff discount, 30% off full-price items, plus an additional 15% off already reduced merchandise. Peak season availability. Strong preference for candidates available during the critical period from December 15 through January 4, including weekends and Boxing Day. Day shift. Customer magic. Work the vibrant shop floor, helping families find perfect toys, operating point-of-sale systems, and keeping shelves fully stocked with holiday favorites. Night shift. Behind the scenes. Physically demanding roles for proactive workers managing overnight deliveries, restocking, and preparing stores for the next day's rush. Competitive compensation. Earn attractive hourly rates, plus enjoy a generous 20% staff discount on toys and gifts throughout the holiday season. Retail and distribution. Opportunities available in both customer-facing retail locations and seasonal assembly and distribution centers supporting the holiday gift rush. Weekly pay and perks. Receive weekly paychecks for consistent cash flow, generous employee discounts on gourmet products, and flexible scheduling options. Festive environment. Share the joy of holiday gift-giving with shoppers in a fun, fast-paced environment filled with delicious specialty foods and gifts. Join the Hickory Farms team and become an essential part of making the holidays special for families nationwide. This isn't just a job, it's an opportunity to spread cheer, create lasting memories, and earn rewarding income during the most wonderful time of the year. Experience the unique satisfaction of contributing to festive celebrations and the positive energy of a bustling holiday environment. Online job boards. Browse LinkedIn, read.co.uk, Indeed, and company career pages for the latest seasonal openings. Many employers post exclusively online. Local event staffing. Work at holiday festivals, Christmas markets, tree lighting ceremonies, and photo set experiences like VIP holiday photos. Hospitality surge. Restaurants, hotels, and venues need extra wait staff, bar staff, and front-of-house team for holiday parties and special events. Apply early. Many companies begin hiring as early as October. The early bird catches the best positions with optimal hours. Polish your resume. Prepare a clear resume highlighting any customer service or retail experience, even from volunteer work or school activities. Show flexibility. Be available for evenings, weekends, and peak dates. Flexibility dramatically increases your chances of being hired. Bring holiday spirit. Demonstrate genuine enthusiasm for the season and teamwork during interviews. Attitude matters as much as experience. Punctuality and presentation. Always arrive on time and dress appropriately for your retail or warehouse environment. First impressions set the tone. Master product knowledge.
Learn about products quickly so you can assist customers confidently and make helpful recommendations. Stay positive. Communicate clearly and maintain a positive attitude during the busiest, most stressful periods of the season. Maximize perks. Take full advantage of employee discounts and benefits packages offered during your employment. Premium shifts. Seek roles offering shift differentials for early mornings, late nights, and weekends when pay rates are typically higher. Stack opportunities. Consider juggling multiple part-time roles if schedules permit, allowing you to maximize your total holiday earnings. Track everything. Carefully monitor your hours to ensure full compensation for overtime and holiday premium pay that you've earned. Smart saving. Use your seasonal income strategically to build emergency savings or pay down holiday credit card expenses.
Here's what the job market looks like right now for seasonal workers across different locations and industries. Events and festival worker, Grapevine, Texas, 19 hours per week. Merchandising assistant, New York, New York, full-time seasonal. Seasonal splash pad caretaker, Lubbock, Texas, part-time. Parking attendant, Frisco, Texas, flexible schedule. Front of house team member, various locations, evening shifts. Tech integration. Growing importance of basic tech skills, even in seasonal roles, from mastering POS systems to navigating inventory management apps.
Seasonal employment is often seen as a temporary solution, but for many, it serves as a powerful springboard into lasting and fulfilling careers. It's an invaluable opportunity to gain experience, build critical skills, and forge connections that can accelerate your professional journey. Unlock transferable skills. Seasonal roles are rich in opportunities to develop skills highly valued across all industries. Customer service excellence, handling diverse client needs and ensuring satisfaction. Team collaboration, working effectively in fast-paced, high-pressure environments. Problem solving, adapting quickly to challenges and finding efficient solutions. Time management, juggling multiple tasks and meeting tight deadlines. Tech proficiency, mastering POS systems, inventory management software, or specialized tools relevant to the industry. Direct pathways to permanent roles. Many companies actively use seasonal positions as a talent pipeline. High-performing seasonal employees are often the first candidates considered for full-time openings. Statistics show that roughly 30 to 50% of seasonal workers are offered permanent roles following a successful period. Examples of advancement are retail associate to store supervisor, warehouse helper to logistics coordinator, hospitality staff to event manager, customer support agent to team lead. Expand your professional network. Seasonal jobs offer unique chances to meet industry professionals, managers, and colleagues. These connections can become invaluable mentors, provide job leads, or serve as references for future opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of building rapport and making a positive impression. Boost your resume and career profile. Adding seasonal experience to your resume demonstrates adaptability, a strong work ethic, and a willingness to learn. It shows initiative and practical skills gained in real-world settings. This experience is highly valued in diverse sectors such as retail, hospitality, tourism, e-commerce, and even specialized fields like tech support or agriculture. Consider the story of Maria, who started as a seasonal sales associate during the holiday rush. Her exceptional customer service and quick learning earned her a full-time position, and within 2 years, she was promoted to assistant store manager. Or David, who began in a seasonal warehouse role, quickly learned the inventory system and leveraged that knowledge into a permanent data entry position in logistics. These aren't isolated incidents, they're common narratives in the world of seasonal work. Beyond immediate job prospects, seasonal experience can lead to long-term career benefits like enhanced professional development opportunities, access to specialized training, and a broader understanding of various business operations. Embrace seasonal work not just as a job, but as an investment in your future career success.
High volume and fast pace. Stay organized with checklists, prioritize tasks effectively, and remember to take your scheduled breaks to recharge and maintain focus. Physical demands. Invest in comfortable, supportive shoes designed for long hours on your feet. Stay hydrated throughout your shift and stretch regularly. Navigating holiday crowds. Maintain patience and a positive attitude even during the most stressful moments. Remember, your calm demeanor helps customers too. Many of our current managers and supervisors started their journey as Christmas crew members at the entertainer. Seasonal work is often the first step toward a rewarding retail career. Build transferable skills. Seasonal positions develop crucial abilities: customer service excellence, effective teamwork, and strong time management that apply to any career path. Network for your future. Use seasonal jobs as valuable networking opportunities, building relationships that can open doors to future employment prospects. Update your materials. Refresh your resume and craft a compelling cover letter that highlights your enthusiasm and availability for seasonal work. Research local employers. Identify companies actively hiring in your area through online searches, store visits, and community job boards. Apply early and follow up. Submit applications as soon as positions open and follow up politely within a week to demonstrate your genuine interest. Interview with enthusiasm. Prepare for interviews by researching the company and practicing how you'll showcase your holiday spirit and work ethic. Seasonal jobs offer more than just extra money in your pocket. They provide invaluable real-world experience, opportunities to meet new people, and help build your confidence for future career steps. Start your search today and unwrap your opportunity to earn, learn, and grow this Christmas season. The perfect seasonal job is waiting for you.